everyone, welcome back to Debbie's World. So today I'm going to be doing a video that's part of my 60 is the New 40 series, and this one is specifically a video about something that I believe is, it's a theory, but I do believe that I do something that has helped my face not age as much. So if you're interested in knowing what that is, please keep watching. Alright, so basically a couple years ago, and for many years, I had been waxing with wax strips my upper lip because I had some peach fuzz. Well, as I'm realizing, when you're over 45, in your 50s, etc., you start to lose elasticity and collagen in your face, which means you're not going to have a lot of bounce back. So by ripping the wax, I noticed, like I said a couple of years ago, that there were more lines and it wasn't bouncing back, and I was shocked at what I saw. So no more, I stopped doing that. What I have discovered is when I wash my face, when I put moisture on my face, moisturizers, when I put any primers, any eye products, or any concealers, or any serums, I never rub. And I watch a lot of people on YouTube and Facebook, and when they're putting products on, I see a lot of rubbing. Now, I understand that's your delivery system, that's what you're thinking is really blending, but again, you have very little bounce back, especially if you're over 50, so my advice from my experience is to try for a month to do all of these things that I'm going to show you. Try them out for a month and see if you see a difference in your face. So I'm not asking you to change your products, just change the way you apply them. So what I do is I wash my face. All I'm doing, as you see, we're doing the washing now. We're only doing these very gentle circles, okay? We're not doing any scrubbing or rubbing. We're just being extremely gentle. Okay, step 2, I've washed my face, I've splashed cold water, warm water then cold water, and then I'm going to do my spray bottle. This is bottled water, and I always do this after I wash my face because this is definitely very gentle on your skin. It gets all that chlorine off from, in California we have a lot of chlorine in our water. Okay, now we're going to take this towel, and we're just going to pat my face. Just pat. We're not going to do any rubbing or scrubbing. We're just going to pat. So we've done that. We finished the washing stage. So the second part is, now we're going to do serums. So with the serum, right now I'm using the Sunday Riley CEO. And then I usually just place it all over my face. And again, with serums, I'm just going to do patting, no rubbing. Pat, 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 pat. Alright, next we're going to be doing our moisturizer. And right now I'm using Belif Aqua Bomb. That's my new go-to favorite. Same thing. I take a little dot, 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 dot. And we're going to pat. We're going to smooth it. We're going to use just the tips of my fingers. I'm not really rubbing or moving my skin. And I'm going to pat, pat. Okay, so now we have the moisturizer on and our serum, and we've now washed our face. Next we're doing the under eye cream. I'm using Origins, and I got this as a sample, so I love this. Same thing. I'm going to just tap, tap, tap. You know, same thing. I'm never rubbing, never. You know, I'm going to go around my eyes. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? So that's that. Okay. Same with next primer. So when I put primer on, same thing. I'm going to put a little here, a little there. And I'm just going to do very nice, very gentle patting, and no rubbing. No pulling, no pushing, just very gentle. I'm just trying to very gently get it onto my skin. Your skin will absorb it. It'll be just fine. Okay? I'm going to do my, my under eye concealer. And right now I'm using Bobbi Brown. I've been trying concealers. I'll do a whole video on concealers and under eye issues, but this is it. It's it has the makeup, the under eye concealer, and then it comes with a nice powder. And so with this I use a brush, and I only, by the way, no more V. Do not do the V. If you have under eye bags or lines or ridges or gaps or wrinkles, and you start to put makeup and concealer and you do the V, it's too much. You're going to accentuate everything. So my theory is, just like with the washing of the face and all the things where I just go like this, my concealers, etc., my serums, you're going to put this on the brush, put it where you see the darkness only, like that, and then I pat, 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 more patting. No, I don't go across, I don't rub, and that's that. So, as you can see, I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're talking about 7 or 8 products, all different companies, so I'm not married to any of them. No one is sponsoring me. These are just things that I like. And I definitely think if you would just try this out for a couple weeks, don't worry about the products, use your own products, just try the not rubbing, and don't use a washcloth to scrub your face. We can't do that anymore. We really have to be super gentle. Again, you don't have a lot of bounce back, so if you start rubbing, it could stay like that, so I don't want you to do that. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is, you know, I have some other videos where I talk about these beauty subscriptions that I have subscribed to. I subscribe to Allure, Macy's, Ipsy, Birch, and oh my goodness, and Sephora Play. So the reason that I'm doing that is it gives me a chance to get this. Now all of these, not the Bobbi Brown, but everything you see here, I got in a beauty box. So my beauty boxes are $10 a month and $15 a month, but it gives me a chance to try products that I probably wouldn't have purchased on my own. I wouldn't even have thought about Sunday Riley or Belif. These are all sort of indie companies I'd never even heard of. So it gave me a chance to get these trial sizes, and this is what I want for you guys. I want you to be able to try things that you normally wouldn't get on your own. Anyway, so that's my video, and that is my secret. Another one of my tips and tricks for de-aging your face, right? So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. That means everything to me if you would subscribe, because then you'll hear about other videos that I do, and do check out my other videos. There's so many things that I think you might be interested in, and I would love your comments. And that's it for now, so take care, you guys. Bye-bye.